Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create images using Google Gemini. First of all, what you have to do is open google.com, and in the URL bar on the top, you have to simply type in gemini.google.com to open Google Gemini. Now once Google Gemini has been opened, simply click on the text box and you can type in any prompt to generate an image. For instance, I will type in generate an image of a futuristic car. So I will click on the send button. As you can see, it is creating your image with Imagine 3. It is a image generating model called Imagine 3. So we have to wait just for a bit. As you can see, it has generated an image of a futuristic car. So if I type in different thing, futuristic city, I will hit enter. As you can see, sure, here's an image of a futuristic city. So that's how you can generate or create images using Google Gemini. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.